Now that we're familiar with how to find this database and conduct searches in it, let's take a look at how we can access these materials. We're on a later page of the same list of results that we ended the last video on, and let's take a look at what we can find. We'll begin by looking at result number 26. Clicking on this title takes us to the items record, and if we scroll down, we can see that the article is actually on this page. However, this is not always the case. Additionally, we might want a copy that we can save to our desktop for future use. In those cases, we can see in the top left corner that this article is available as a PDF. If we click on this link, we're taken to the full text of the article where we can read, print, or save this article as we see fit. Going back to the article's record, we also have a list of tools that we can use with this, including this Cite button. Clicking on this button will provide a citation for you in several different formatting styles. However, it's important to note that these citations are almost never perfect, and you do want to look them over. Still, it's better to start with one of these that you can correct than to begin from scratch. Back on our list of results, let's take a look at another article, number 12. In this case, we can see that there's no PDF immediately available, so we click on the Find It at Pollock Library link in that same corner. And in this case, we're taken to OneSearch. This is because we have access to this article, but through a different database. In this case, we're being told that the article is available through the database called Springer Link Journals. And if we click on this link, I can read the full text here, or use the Download PDF link in the top right corner to download it for later. If you're able to locate the article within one of our databases, there should also be a link to download the PDF. Sometimes, though, you may have to look for it. Now we're back on the results page, and there's one more type of result that I'd like to show you. Let's take a look at result number 35. This time, instead of clicking on the title, I'm going to click directly on Find It at Pollock Library. This is more or less what we did with the last article. Once again, we're taken to OneSearch, only this time we're told that no full text is available. However, just after that, it says, please sign in for delivery options. So I'm going to click on this Sign in for more options link to see what those options are. And once I have signed in, there's a new link that appears, which reads, request this article for delivery. I can click on this link, and I'm taken to a form which is already filled out with all of the information for this article. All I need to do is request this item, and once I do that, I'll have the article emailed to me as a PDF within a few business days. If you find an article and it tells you we don't have it, remember that we can almost certainly get it for you. I know that sometimes waiting a few days for a resource can seem like way too long, but this is a great way to get your hands on relevant literature for your research. Of course, it goes without saying that if you have any questions or would like to talk about this, to contact a librarian. We'll be happy to assist you however we can. You can find help by clicking on the Get Help link on the library homepage. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.